That's T30, T25 or T30 will work. Just take this one out right there, and then the one in the back, and there's two up here. You can pull that a little bit. Right there's one right there, and then there's one down there to the left right there. There's four of them. Now if you can't take, I know it's hard to take that last screw out, so the best way to do it is take this piece out. There's two plugs, the two orange plugs. You push this down and pull it straight out, and then also this one is gonna look exact like this. That's what it looked like when it pushed in. Be like that. So push that piece in, and then flip that outward like that, and then it should come out. Now what you do, you're gonna pull this wire, try to pull all this wire out. Pull it up here so you can reach to the wire, speaker wire, make it easy for you. Like just like so. It's easier up here than down there. And then you just plug the wire up. Right there, all this wire right here. Now, next thing you will do, you want to pry this out just like that with a prier, flathead prier, and then you want to take a T25 and take this out and prop it up. Same thing as the front. You got two more screws right there. You basically take a flathead and pop this thing out easy, piece by piece like that. Go easy. And then T25, 1, 2, and just pry it out piece by piece easily with a flathead or with a prier tool. Then once you take everything off, I'm not gonna bother to take everything off. I'll hide the wire. It's only running 2 wire right there. Wow, solid. Now you're taking a T25 and take this screw out, one right there, the bottom, and then the opposite side, top and bottom. Take that out. Once you get that out, you're gonna have it look like the radio look like that. I kind of pry it out a little bit so I can do it with one hand, but you basically take a plastic and pry it out piece by piece until you get it out. Once you get that out, you're gonna have a T25 and take one of that off, and then the top left and the bottom left. Once you get that out, you're gonna have to just unplug all of this out, and under the glove compartment there's another T25. Just take that off, and then now you can run the 9-wire conductor and an RCA jack. Actually, I'm doing amplifier also, so I'm gonna run it out there. Under the glove compartment there's another T25. Just take that off, and then now you can run the 9-wire conductor and an RCA jack. Actually, I'm doing amplifier also, so I'm gonna run it out there. I usually, if you don't have the tool, use a coat hanger and push it right here. I don't know if you can see that, but right there, push it down right there. Once you get it up, make sure your wires go on top of this. My tool is easier. You can buy this from, not sure where I get that from. I think I got it from Lowe's. Oh, no. AutoZone or O'Reilly got this. All you do is push this button right there and the thing's gonna open. That's like $20. Of course you can get this all the way from Amazon. I'm not sure what it's called, but a grabber, yeah, push grabber or something. So now push this wire back up here again, because you don't want it to interfere with that plastic right here on the top. When you put the radio, you don't want to get stuck right there. Pull about 8 or 10 inches out, so make it easier. But I'm gonna have to pull the RCA jack for the amplifier. What I'm doing, I'm running the red and black wire right here in case I need the ground, but I don't think I need the ground. I'm gonna run the red to the fuse. I need accessory, so I'm gonna run it back over here, up here. Alright, I got everything ran. I got the 9-wire conductor with the blue remote coming out right here. So what I got white, which is a left front speaker. I'm hooking up to white and black, and then the negative side is brown and black right here. And then the right front, I have white, red, and brown, red. White, red, and brown, red. That's right next to the big, it's a big thick wire right there. It's I believe that's a 12 gauge wire. And then the left rear, I got red and brown red. It's a smaller wire right there on the top. That would be red and brown red. Red is positive, brown red is negative. Usually anything with the brown is negative. And then I got the right rear, I got blue right here at the end, as you can see right there, blue and brown blue. That is the right rear. And what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna run a remote wire for him to come down so he can hook up his amp. Now the last thing you want to do, you want to hook up that brown, thicker brown wire to the ground, and then you got the red and yellow. Red and yellow go to the 12 volt, and then that wire that I ran to the fuse over there, which is red, I'm gonna hook it up to the red. That's for accessory. And then everything else you hook up the same way from the radio, from the back plug of the radio. This is a short Pioneer, somebody cut it so short, so I just hook all that up. And I do hook up the blue remote wire to the back for amplifier turn on. And then also antenna adapter right there, plugged it all in. And alright, right now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna hook up the accessory, which is pin, oh, I can't tell. Oh, not sure what it is. It's right here though. Put the red side on the top side from the fuse, so anything happen, it'll pop that wow, right there. The third one, 1, 2, 3. It's an empty one next to it. Hey, why my camera look like that? Right there. Oh, I just checked it. It's pin 50 right there. That's pin 50. Okay, turn it on right now. Radio. Uh-oh. Oh. I can't say Cayenne. Cayenne, right? That's why I quit. Cayenne. From 03 to 2010. Yep, it's Porsche Cayenne. 2006, right? Hey, this 2006, right?
Yeah. Nah, 2004.
That's what I thought. It's 2004 Cayenne.
I'm gonna make sure it don't move.
Once you put the seat up, push that box against it, you shouldn't go anywhere.